Welcome to the Top 5 Auto Advice. Eliminating exhaust pipe noise. Exhaust pipe noise can be a sign of a serious problem. It can lead to reduced fuel efficiency and engine damage. Fixing exhaust pipe noise can improve your driving experience and save you money in the long run. Exhaust noise may be caused by a damaged silencer, loose pipes, or misaligned parts. Consult a mechanic to diagnose and repair the issue. Exhaust pipe noise can be caused by a variety of issues such as leaks, corrosion, damaged hangers, muffler problems, or loose clamps. Identify the source of the noise. Replace any damaged or worn-out components. Install noise-reducing materials such as a muffler or exhaust silencer. If you notice increased exhaust pipe noise, rust, or damage, it's best to leave the repairs to a professional to ensure safety and quality. Thank you for considering these tips to fix your exhaust pipe noise. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.